Apparent fall from an upper floor. He does have a compound fracture to his left femur. We have a tourniquet on that in place. Vitals are stable. He is unresponsive.
Oh, this is what they train for. They train to be prepared in the event of an emergency. You can only read so many books and do so many exercises. When you get out something like this, it's more realistic, life realistic, and it challenges them. We want people to be prepared. If we can save a life by having somebody prepared to do what they need to do to get that person, because we do have a lot of mines that are rural. A lot of people get dependent on 911, but it may be a little bit before 911 could actually get to a mine site.
Our co-workers are like our family, and in some cases they are our family. Use it on site, but also you got your family, your home life, coach sports, volunteer, you're around people, your loved ones all your life, so I never want to be in a situation where I don't know something that might help them.
Everything's structurally intact here. Hello, can anybody hear me? Checking the stairwell. Everything's structurally intact here. Can anybody hear me? Checking overhead before we come out. Is it clear? Okay. Is my patient breathing?
Yes, sir.
Does my patient have a pulse?
Yes.
My patient does have a pulse. Adam, will you grab C-spine for me? Do I see any profuse bleeding?
Yes. Phil, if you want us to go ahead and help me splint this, that way.
You want to challenge them so that they learn how to deal with obstacles. And the more you challenge them, the more people get adapted to dealing with them, then they don't panic in a real situation.
Hey, Bub, I need you over here. Sometimes that works. Sometimes that works. There's nothing wrong with that as long as it works. But there needs to be a tried and true method of being able to get in touch with the rescue team.
Rope tying, you've got water rescue we're going to train for. You've got different scenarios we're going to run through while we're here. And all that stuff's going to help us if something actually really happens.
I'm going to shake his right hand, but I'm going to miss his hand, and I'm grabbing him right there. Now with him floating face down, when I grab him like that, I'm going to immediately turn around and go into a right side stroke.
I believe the biggest thing would be scene safety, and also make sure that the person that you're trying to save is not trying to drown you, because that's a big potential to make sure you're able to get around the person and get them out of the water safely.
The biggest takeaway was definitely how to control your breathing and how to keep yourself calm during emergencies. It really helps if you can center yourself, then your emotions are calmer, your actions are calmer, and you can resolve the problem more efficiently and save your victim.
When you get to the chest wall, if this is a female, make sure you go with the back of your hands especially. And when you're going down the body, when it's trauma related, make sure you feel with the back when you're going down into the crotch area, and then get down the legs first, check your cap refill, then go to the arms, and then like you guys did perfect, roll them over and check to see what's going on with the back.
Triage is valuable in many ways. You know, we can diagnose problems that may be going on with the patient and be able to treat them in a timely fashion to where it may be a life-saving event.
If you've got a mine that's out in a rural area that's 20, 30 miles out, it may take 15, 20 minutes for somebody to get there. And 15 to 20 minutes of a person who needs CPR is too late. If you've got somebody that's trained that knows how to do CPR, then that makes a difference in that person whether he lives or dies.